Hey guys, I'm having a bit of a problem with a shower installation and I'm hoping that you guys can shed some light on what to do. So my plan is to basically just, outline the problem and then you guys can either leave a comment or better still if you could make a YouTube video of how to fix this. I mean, that'd be even better. The kind of thing, like I'm hoping this can just help people like in the future that are facing this same kind of install issue. So basically, yeah, rainfall shower at the top, and then my plan is to have the rail, the shower rail in the middle, like for the handheld shower head, and then this basically has this elbow and with the fixing on the bottom there for the bottom of the for the shower hose. The issue that I'm having is, if you can imagine when this installs, when this goes in, and there's also like a faceplate to go on as well, is that there's like three areas that need to seal simultaneously, and obviously, like if I just go to screw this in a little bit, we obviously want this to be facing south, whereas when I screw this in all the way, the final angle is off, cockeyed like that. So presumably this needs to finish up less than one tone back. So as I come to do the final tightening of this, assuming I've got like some PTFE tape or something else sort of on there, then I'll need to finish that final tightening with it then facing perfectly south and with obviously with the faceplate on as well. The issue is this faceplate is kind of loose, right? And so it needs to create a watertight seal against the wall so that if there's any water like running down, it doesn't run in behind the plate. It also needs to seal between this face and obviously like this, the back side of this part. And then it also needs to make the water connection, like that needs to seal as well. So it needs to seal like in three places simultaneously. And I really don't like the idea of kind of just caking this in loads of like silicone. The other thing to mention is, let's say that you are at the stage where you're doing the plumbing, but you don't yet know how thick your tiles are going to be. Maybe you've not sort of, bought them yet. But then also like, I don't know how much people have a say in how thick the tile adhesive is going to be behind the tiles. But the fact that this seems to need to be like sub-millimeter perfect in terms of like depth into the wall just seems crazy to me. Like people shouldn't need to know that kind of information like so early on in a project. And like I say, even if they did, even if they have the tiles right there, like, there's no guarantee that your tile adhesive is going to be the thickness that, I don't know, it needs to be. So yeah, it'd be great to get some feedback and sort of hear what you guys do. Yeah, thanks very much. And yeah, as far as possible, try and keep sort of any comments as sort of future proof as you can do. Like imagine someone watching this video in like 5 years time, as best as you can, try and keep any advice, relevant today and relevant in 5 years time. Awesome, thanks.